Hello, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is MacLearn. Today I am here with the solution to my previous question of 2020, and in this question you had to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account. So this is the solution to my previous question. So you can go through that previous question and then come to this solution, or else you'll not be able to understand. In my previous videos also I had given you the format of profit and loss appropriation account, so I recommend you to follow the format before solving this question. So as you can see, we had started with the profit and loss appropriation account. Credit side, we have to record whatever net profit is given in the question, that is 2,16,000. Then we have interest on capital. Yes, interest on capital is given at the rate of 10%. So whatever capital which is contributed by the partners, on that capital you have to take 10%, sorry. So then we have salaries. A salary is given 24,000 per annum, and B salary is given, and B salary is also given, and I told you to convert it into per annum basis, that is it will be 3,600. Then we have interest on drawings, which is also mentioned, that is A 2,200 and B, that is 2,500. So this is the information which is given, and with this information we had prepared this profit and loss appropriation account by using the profit and loss appropriation account format which I had given you in the previous videos. So at the end we got profit, that is 1,25,700, and we have the question with me, and yes, I have the question with me, and the profit will be shared in the ratio of 3:2. So as you can see here, whatever profit we have received, that is 1,25,700, it will be shared in the ratio of 3:2, that is A share and B share. So I hope you can understand this question. Please follow the format and try to understand, go through the question nicely, and then try to solve this question. This type of question is very important for your upcoming board exams as well, so please follow it up nicely. Thank you. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more videos on accountancy, commerce, career guidance and motivation. Thank you all.